Welcome to Earl Stewart on Cars.
When you say, we will guarantee the lowest price, and that's what it says on the headline, that's what the essence of the message is on the advertisement, then you've got to deliver. You can't contradict the impression that you leave in an advertisement with the fine print. And that's what they do. They contradict the impression. In fact, it's not just an impression, it's the overt message. Lowest price guarantee. And that puts people at ease. You know, they say, hey, how can we go wrong? A lot of car dealers out there do the lowest price guarantee. The fine print says, number one, you have to have a signed buyer's order from the other car dealership showing the price. It's got to be the same day as you got the price, and it's got to be signed by a manager at the car dealership. Well, car dealers don't give signed buyer's orders to customers unless they buy a car. 99.9% of the car dealers out there, you'll never get a signed buyer's order because they know you're going to take it to their competition, and the competition's going to beat the deal by, a few dollars to get your business. Why would they give you a signed buyer's order to help you do that? Well, they won't do that. So number one condition is virtually impossible to ensure your lowest price guarantee. You're not going to get it. Here's the other one. This is the backbreaker here. The dealers reserve the right to buy that car from the competition at the advertised price. Now, dealers requiring you to go to their competitor and say, I want to buy this car from your competitor because he has the lowest price guarantee, but he needs to buy the car from you at the same price that you promised you'd sell it to me. Now, what are the chances do you think, that his competitor is going to cooperate so that he can lose the business to his competitor? That's not going to happen either. There's even some other exclusions that they put in there, but the bottom line is that if you see a lowest price guarantee, totally ignore it, at least on a car. I even challenge dealers, and I'll challenge them on the air right now. Show me one customer that came in and was able to get the benefit of your lowest price guarantee, meaning the $1,000 or the free car or whatever else you promised him. And you know that you can't always have the lowest price. No one car dealer always has the lowest price. If you had the lowest price all the time, you'd be the only car dealer in Florida, because all the other car dealers would be out of business. Competition dictates, and the facts are that sometimes your competition is going to have a lower price. I don't always have the lowest price. My competition sometimes has a lower price. That's just the law of the marketplace. To guarantee the lowest price all the time is just a flat lie, and the conditions that dealers put in there to get themselves off the hook are just unethical and deceptive and violation of Federal Trade Commission rules. Unlike other retailers, there are non-car dealers out there that have low price guarantees that are totally legitimate. For example, Best Buy guarantees that they will beat or match any online price. So all you have to do is do a screenshot of the online price, take it into Best Buy, and they'll match it or beat it. Car dealers don't work that way. You can bring in an advertisement from their competitor and say, beat that price, and they won't do it. They want a signed buyer's order by the manager saying that they will sell you the car at that price. Now, there's two reasons for that. Biggest reason is they know you can't get it because virtually no car dealer will give you a signed buyer's order and allow you to walk out of that dealership and take it to their competition so the competition can beat their deal. But the other reason is that they know that the advertised prices are probably nonsense. So the dealers are afraid to honor an advertisement because all the other dealers are advertising dishonestly. So they require the signed buyer's order, and they know that's impossible to get. So, there's no way you can ever qualify for the conditions for the lowest price guarantee. So it's a bogus guarantee, violates the Federal Trade Commission rule that the message of an advertisement cannot be contradicted by the fine print. And that's exactly what these lowest price guarantees do. They're contradicted by the fine print.